Many people have a hair loss problem and they do not know what to do. And there are so many advertisements, so many reels, so many shots on the net that they're totally confused. Clinics tell them, let's do a PRP for you. Okay, we'll do a GFC. Oh, we have a laser which will stop your hair loss and give you a head full of hair. Do exosomes, which might help you, etc., etc. Derma roller, microneedling. But the truth is, none of these can help you grow new hair. In this world, there is no medicine that grows new hair. PRP does not grow new hair, GFC does not grow new hair, exosomes never grow new hair, microneedling and these derma rollers do not grow new hair, lasers also don't grow any new hair. Only two medicines have been proven scientifically to control hair loss. They control hair loss, decrease hair loss, make the current hair better, stronger, there will be less fall, they will be thicker, coarser in diameter, will grow more. But again, they also don't grow new hair. If the hair roots are present, they might get them out to start growing and becoming better, but no new hair. Minoxidil, the trusted brand, different brands available and by different names, is the only authentic medicine for both male and female. In the male, we also have a tablet finasteride, which can help control hair loss. But again, if you have lost your hair roots permanently, the only solution is to a hair transplant. In a hair transplant, we take permanent from the back, put them areas we lost hair, and these hairs subsequently they start growing after 3 months. They grow like normal hair, need haircuts, they will fall. You can comb them, oil them, shampoo them, and they stay for life. This is the only permanent solution for a bald person. So in case you're losing hair, use minoxidil. Take finasteride if you're a male. You can try all the other tricks you want, but they will not help you. And if they're lost permanently, the solution lies with us. We can do a hair transplant and change your looks 360 degrees to make you look much better and much younger. Any questions, any queries, contact us. We'll answer your questions, solve your problems, and get you a new look.